It's like seeing a ghost.
You got me riding with a corpse. I'm good, bro. Alright, bro, you know I'm camera shy. I can't do that.
Too late, man. Locked in. All right. I was asking Yusef if he was ready to go. He said we got to do drills. I told him I didn't get my workout today. What's the drills, man?
I can't do the camera, bro.
Bro, it's already recorded.
No feet off pegs and 1 full lap standing.
Okay, no feet off pegs, 1 full lap, stand up the whole time.
Yep.
That's it?
That's it.
All right. You heard it. No feet off the pegs. Got to stand up the whole time for the second one. Easy.
How you feeling?
Not even gonna lie. The first one wasn't that bad, no foot off the pegs. But standing up, my triceps started burning, man. That was rough. As y'all can see, once again, we're the only ones out here. This whole dirt bike thing, man, I'm telling you, I don't know about this road racing stuff anymore. 40 bucks, and we got the whole track to ourselves. I mean, I don't see no marshals nowhere, you know, no flags. Man, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You're out on the dirt, man. There's pretty much no rules out here. I mean, there's rules, you know. Don't come out here and do anything stupid, but man, as long as you're having fun, being respectful, I mean, regular track day rules apply, but yeah, I'm sold on the motocross stuff, man. What would I spend? At least, what, 170 to what, 250 bucks for a track day for the day? I was at work today. I worked, left work a little bit early, knocked off, came out here, 45-minute drive, $40 later. We've been riding for about 2 hours now, right? And that's after a full day of work. And I'll be home before dinner. I'm sold, man. Let's go ride though. What's up, everybody? Back out here at Jennings again. We only got, what, 2 more weekends, 3 more weekends until summer break. So trying to shake down the bike out here one more time before I got to start heading up to Georgia and Alabama again. But as you can see, man, it's packed out here. I had to park over here in the grass. Not my typical parking spot, man, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But check it out, man. It's absolutely packed out here. Uh-oh.
I look like a real racer.
I like that suit. Told this man to bump up the novice, or wow, not novice, to bump up the intermediate. Ain't never gonna happen. Yeah, it's one of the favorites. Courtney's coming back in a minute. We're just gonna shake our heads at him. Pure disappointment. This joker should be in the intermediate group.
Talk about your elbow needs to get out on the ground, but you're in the beginner class. Oh no.
Disappointed. He's disowned. He's disowned right now. We don't even know him. Got the receipts. All right, just wrapping up the day. Pretty good day. It's hot. I mean, it's not even really summertime yet, and it was scorching today. I had to run the pressures a little bit higher all day long, and it was just a brutal day. Courtney got his suspension redone on the 6.3 or the 675 builder bike, and he took it out and he was having some issues with the suspension pogoing. So we messed around with it and set the sag, and it took the problem right away. He really didn't even have to make any other suspension adjustments. So if you're getting your suspension redone, or you get a new bike, or if you haven't done it to your bike, go ahead and set the sag. Set your sag and your bike's gonna ride a whole lot better.